गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरवृंद। सभी लोग बोलिए, आगे बढ़िए। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे राम हरे राम हरे राम 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 हरे राम हरे। सभी लोग जोर लगाकर बोलिए।
Namaste Narasimhaya. Namaste Narasimhaya. Prahlad Lad Jayine. Prahlad Lad Jayine. Hiranakashi Purvachaha. Hiranakashi Purvachaha. Tilakam Karanakalaye. Tilakam Karanakalaye. Tole Singha, Paratone Singha. Toya Toya Mita Tone Singha. Bahir ne Singha, Hridayer ne Singha. Narasingha Madhum Sharanam Pramadi. Namaste Narasimhaya. Prahlad Lad Jayine. Hiranyakashi Purvachaha. Tilakam Karanakalaye. Itone Singha, Paratone Singha. Yato Yato Ramita Tone Singha. Bahir ne Singha, Hridayer ne Singha. Narasingha Madhum Sharanam Pramadi. Namaste Narasimhaya. Prahlad Lad Jayine. Hiranakashi Purvachaha. Tilakam Karanakalaye. Jaya Nrsimhadev, 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 Jaya Nrsimhadev. Jaya Nrsimhadev, 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 Jaya Nrsimhadev. Jaya Bhakta Prahlad, Bhakta Prahlad, Bhakta Prahlad, Jaya Bhakta Prahlad. Prabhupada, 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 Prabhupada. Jai Jai Prabhupada, 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 Prabhupada. Amita Guru Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Amita Guru Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
जय जनार्दना कृष्ण राधिकापते जन विमोचना कृष्ण जन्म मोचना
Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakati Satma Vandamoi Savadana Mate Jahara Prasade Bhai Beba Toriya Jai Krishna Prapti Hoy Jaha The lotus feet of our spiritual master are the only way by which we can attain pure devotional service. I bow to his lotus feet with great awe and reverence. By his grace, one can cross the ocean of material suffering and obtain the mercy of Krishna. Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chitte Koriya Kya Parana Kori Ho Mane Asa Shri Guru Charane Rati Aise Uttama Gati De Prasade Pure Sarva Asa My only wish is to have my consciousness purified by the words emanating from his lotus mouth. Attachment to his lotus feet is the perfection that fulfills all desires. Chakudana dilo jai Janme janme Prabhu se Devya gyan hriday prakashito Prema bhakti jaha hoite Avidya vinasha jate Vede gai jara charito He opens my darkened eyes and fills my heart with transcendental knowledge. He is my Lord birth after birth. From him, ecstatic prema emanates. By him, ignorance is destroyed. The Vedic scriptures sing of his character. Shri Guru Karuna Sindhu Adhama Janara Bandhu Shri Guru Karuna Sindhu Adhama Janara Bandhu Lokena Lokera Jivana Lokera Jivana Ha ha Prabhu Koro Doya Deho More Padashaya Ha ha Prabhu Koro Doya Deho More Padashaya Devi Jasku Sakti Bhuvana Devi Jasku Sakti Bhuvana O spiritual master, ocean of mercy and friend of the fallen souls, you are the teacher of everyone and the life of all people. O Master, be merciful unto me and give me the shade of your lotus feet. May your glories now be proclaimed throughout the three worlds. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hari Bol!
Hari Bol. So we are here for the pre-function preparations going on for the Pushpa Abhishek festival today. और हम लोग सब देख सकते हैं कि पीछे सेटअप स्टार्ट हो गया है. This is the main flower setup going on, and very nice work is being done by Anil and his group, and all the small guys you can see over there, they are just preparing for the Pushpa Abhishek. They have prepared everything and they are plucking the flowers for Lord Jagannath. And each of the devotee you can see is being indulged in any of kind of seva. So the main thing which is going on here is everybody is in the seva. Look at Hardik Prabhu, he is there. Would you like to say something?
No, bro.
Yes?
Busy in my work.
No, you are busy. No, would you like to say something about the festival which is going around?
Probably spare us bikers and all that are there for the function and to work.
Hari Bol.
अपने फोटो शूटर से
Hari Bol, now we are here in the main department. You can see all the seva is being done by the small kids itself. They are trying to pluck the flowers. On the behind side you can go and see the Matajis are preparing the garlands, which is for Lord Jagannath. The main intention is that each and everyone is indulged in the seva. You can see a lot of devotees. The main thing is going over there, and everything is being coordinated by Jitu Mama. So here are the kids. They are there. Hari Bol. Look at the camera. Camera can say Hari Bol. So you can see there is you can see Jignesh Prabhu there. He is handling everything. From last night he hasn't had a sleep. He's not sleeping. And something is main thing is everybody is indulged in the seva over here. So would you like to share something from Jignesh Prabhu himself?
शांति ले रहे
Okay, so the main thing over here is this is part 3 of the function. You know, the main garland work is being done by the Matajis, and they are doing a very nice job from morning. You can see many of the devotees are engaged in this seva from last night. You know what? They are plucking the flowers and everything. Means everybody is enthusiastic about the function which is going to happen in the evening. So we are just waiting and watch for the show. So now we just go inside and have a check what is going on the backstage, back here. There is a chair from So there is a chair from their side, from the seva which they are doing. Just have a chair from them of Hari Bol. We just like to go inside the inside area where the kitchen thing is going on, and something to notice is the menu. You know what? Everybody is especially attracted what the menu is going to have. You have pulao, you have paneer kolhapuri, with that you have kadhi, and there are the pakoras. You know, the main highlight is the ice cream which is going to come from Gopal's. You know, that is. We are live from the Garud Sena TV, and we are right now where the function is going to happen. You can see a lot of buses going around me, and we have someone special with us who is handling all the kitchen department from our side, and that is nobody. Hire, you would like to hear something from him. What would you like to say?
There were a lot more people from my department, but now I can't see anyone because all these people.
Yeah, so nothing is that there is a complaint. He's supposed to interview on my head. Supposed to do so. He has to do some kind of rep and he can get him from there. So here we are there, and you can see he is the most senior most person here, and you can see that even busy in the seva, you can see the amount of flowers he has plucked. This is alone. This is everything done by him, and we would like to ask him what about his experience now over here. So what are you experiencing by the seva which you are doing over here?
एक्सपीरियंस कुछ नहीं, ऐसे उंगली दुखने लगी मेरी बहुत.
And what are you willing for in the evening? Is there going to be a very big function out there over here?
अरे गुजराती
यार फंक्शन खावानो चाहिए. He is to say that the function is going to be rocking. We'll thank him. Thanks Gaurang, and we'll just turn up somewhere else now. It's a very big day for all of us over here. But there is someone special who is standing beside me. You know, the main thing. So this is a very important day for us because of the function. But someone who is standing beside me, he's turned into an adult today. His name is Jatin and he's turned 18 today. It is a Sita Navami and his birthday. So we are going to celebrate in a grand style. You know what? Everything has been done over here is just because of his birthday. तो हम उनसे जानना चाहेंगे कि उनको क्या लगता है. जतिन आपको क्या बोलना है? जतिन आपको क्या बोलना चाहते हैं? नहीं चुप. ये प्रदीप जोर से. तो आपने क्या क्या सेवा किया? आपको कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट
सेवा नहीं की, लोग सब लोग कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, आपने कुछ किया ही नहीं इसका मतलब. नहीं, हमने तो आपको कल रात से आपने देखा है.
कुछ नहीं किया मैंने.
नहीं, कुछ तो किया रहो. But this is what is his humility is showing all about. You know what? He's been one of the humble most Prabhu. You know, if we go and hit him on his face, he will tell you anything. So that was anything from Jatin. It's his birthday. Happy birthday once again. Happy birthday. So we were in Maharashtra, then we went in all parts of the India. Now it is time to go back to UP. And this guy from UP, he's been rocking everything over here. So something from his mouth, you know, that what he's been indulged in. He's done a lot of seva and he's representing Vrindavan. You know, he comes from UP, the place of Lord Krishna's birthplace. So what would you like to say? What would you like? आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे कि आपने क्या क्या सेवा की?
मैंने आज सिर्फ बाइक चलाने का सेवा किया.
वो अच्छी बात है. जो भी आप कुछ कर रहे हो, please don't put all these things.
इस प्रोग्राम के लिए मैं 1 साल से काफी इंतजार कर रहा था और ये प्रोग्राम आज आया तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि आज गरुड़ सेना को
इधर आ जा.
एक मिनट 1 मिनट
With Arun coming for the interview from Uttar Pradesh, now we are slightly moving towards Rajasthan. These guys have been representing the dal bati from a lot of time, and he is very much famous. The main Marwadi is Manish, and unfortunately he is not present. Yes, Pramod is there, but he's not come yet. But we have someone who's come all the way from Nala Sopara, which takes 1.5 hour drive from Mumbai over here. वो आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आज के फंक्शन के बारे में? कुछ बोलेगा? कुछ तो बोल. अच्छा लग रहा है. हाँ, तो इतने सालों के बाद आपने यहाँ पे पाव रखा, आपको पहले जैसा कुछ महसूस हो रहा है? So after a long time he's been coming over here and he's been feeling like this is not fair, which is going on around. That बोल के बने. So now from the main area we are in the back side where the kitchen work is going on. You can see the French beans. There is a lot of cauliflower. Everything is being cut properly by the boys, and the main support behind this is the man from Jai Jalaram Caterers. And it's all because of Hiren Prabhu's father. He's been providing us with all of these utensils and everything. All the stuff you will see behind which is going for the caterer has been provided by him. And the main in charge player, main in charge who's been giving the main department of kitchen, Jitu Mama, he's been sitting beside me. He's been handling the finance and everything from the last 1 month, and he's fed up, but he's never told someone that we are going to do this. So he would like to ask Hiren's father, Velji bhai, what is feeling about this function? आपको कैसा लग रहा है? आपको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. तो आपको भगवान की सेवा, आप ये जो भी प्रसाद बना रहे हो वो जगन्नाथ जी का महाप्रसाद है. तो इसके लिए आपको, इसके प्रति आपको क्या बोल रहे हो? हमारे फंक्शन के बारे में आपको क्या बोल रहे हो?
इसके बारे में बोलना चाहिए प्रभु जी के लिए भगवान जी को प्रसाद चढ़ाए, वो प्रसाद का आशीर्वाद हमको मिले. और आपके सेवा के अंदर आप जितने काम बालक प्रभु जी मिलके, तो धन्य धन्य आपके आभार.
हम आपके आभारी हैं. We would like to say 3 times Hari Bol for him. Please. आजादी ले जाओ तो और मैं काम करो, उधर मत देखो. आप काम करो, मैं बोलूँगा. Okay, so a lot of innovative ideas have been come around by Jignesh Prabhu. You know, from the one of things is from tattoo making to whatever he's doing, you know, behind that glass and all those stuff, which is bringing a new change, you know. So this is something which has been making from the old age, you know, you can say that it is from the ground of UP, you know, where a hut has been made and everything has been made is done by Arun Prabhu's elder brother. His name is Rahul, and we would just like to have a share of him with him. So आप ये बना रहे हो, तो आपको कितना समय लगा था ये बनाने में? पूरा समय. तो it took 2 hours from him. और आपको भगवान के लिए जो बना रहे, आप सेवा कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए आपको कैसा लग रहा है? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। हाँ, तो आपको क्या, आपका ये फंक्शन के बारे में क्या बोलना है? सब जो काम कर रहे हैं लड़के, उसके बारे में आपको क्या बोलना है? खुश हो? So this is showing what the enthusiasm they are carrying with them. And all the boys you can see now, they are very much enthusiastic that they are just waiting for the evening to arrive. Everything is being done. Everything is going on the free flow. We would like to have, so you know what? There are some more people who have been waiting for the interview who just like to catch up in the interview.
Corporate जगत के आए बस.
Yeah, so from everyone, there are people from each and every part of the world. But there's the other part, you can say it is the corporate world. So we have people from ODP, Out Data Processing Unit. Yes, and they are assembling their company over here. So we have 3 of them. They have given a big chunk of sponsorship. And this man, this guy is a cricket crazy man. You know, he's been winning a lot of trophies all over the world. He's won a lot of trophies for his company as well, and he's been representing India in the cricket game. In the cricket game. This guy, his name is Mayur Mandale, and he's been working hard, you know. Nevertheless, you don't see him. Yeah. Please don't do all this stuff. And this is Yogesh. You know, he's been always complaining about his back, and you know, he says that I don't have someone who's there in the Kiran building, you know, but he's not there. And this is Jignesh. It is the brother of the cameraman, you know. He's behind this camera.
Baman's bro.
So we would like to hear from them. They are from the corporate world. You know, they say हमारी office कांच की है. So we would like to hear something from them. Please.
Trophy वाले.
What would you like to say? You know, oh, you what is bigger? This assembling for Lord Jagannath or something like you play cricket?
These people are working very hard for
No.
and we people are not doing anything. Just that are doing very much for this function.
He's a big liar, you know. And we like to say. योगेश पास से जासू योगेश सबसे अच्छी ड्रेसिंग योगेश ने मारी योगेश ने सबसे अच्छी ड्रेसिंग मारी हाँ तो उसके बारे में आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे फंक्शन के बारे में
बहुत ही अच्छा होगा सब अच्छे से होगा सक्सेसफुल होगा सब
This guy is just gone crazy yet the function is not started. He's saying सब अच्छे से होगा Yoga is divided into a lot of parts but there's some from the Bamanya Heri, you know. Yeah. So we have him. He's also from the corporate world. I told you as beginning. Yeah. And yes, something. So what would you like to say? हम क्या बोलना चाहेंगे फंक्शन के बारे में? I think so. He's feeling shy. He needs to get married. You know what? This guy is a soda freak. He resembles Hindustan Unilever Limited. He has a girlfriend over there. So he goes to see the Mumbai Indians match and he just have a look at his stomach. You know? Stomach. So आपको कैसा लग रहा है? You know, आप कल से मेहनत कर रहे हैं हम देख रहे हैं आपको. Okay, so there is a jug around there and Jignesh Prabhu now he's at his panic. There is not a lot of done over there. Yeah. Someone special is waiting around for a special interview out there which is going towards you.
ये आनंद महाराज ये ना बेट अच्छा है ये अच्छा है बेटा
Okay, so this is where the special thing is going around, where nobody's been allowed to interfere. You can see the MacBook over there. Yeah. Okay, so here a lot of intense work is going around over here, where you can see the MacBook. He's been busy with the MacBook from the last 1 month, and he's keep on telling, yeah, you all don't do anything, you all do. Please do. He's keeping on increasing the enthusiasm of everyone with him. You know, these are the 2 special guys. They have been come all the way from a 1,000-kilometer ride last night, and they have been come all the way from Porbandar. You know, we would like to hear something from him. Because this guy sitting over, his name is Jigar. He's going to pursue BCA. तो हमने केवल लागे છે ફંક્શન ના મારા બહુ સારું લાગે અરે કતિ સારું લાગે Yeah, so we have got someone.
There's a negative point.
Someone is there. He says he does not like anything about the function. With this guy, हमने क्यों लागे से function में? Yeah, he's got something good for us, you know. He's just keeping on dispraising us. There's an end to this. I hope nobody hits me. So please, I request everybody. Thank you. It was a very good. नीचे आवाज है. Okay, so from morning there were samosas and pav, the chutneys. But now you can see it is turned up into the pulao and veg kolhapuri. You can see the pakoras down there. They are really hot and awesome, you know that. And something that everybody's enjoyed the prasadam. The main thing is over here. So you can have. He's Marwadi. Yes, Marwadi. He's come all the way from Kalasopara. And there is Sunil DJ. This is Gaurav is Naching B-boy. Always on the call center. Hitesh bhai. Yes. This is Lalu.
Laptao Prabhu ji.
And this is Laptao. Look at this.
Laptao Prabhu ji.
So they haven't got anything in their plates now.
Yeah.
It's looking empty. They'll be filled up like mountains. Khadda and kadhi and that. And it's going to be some. Okay, we've been tired after doing a lot. People has been tired after doing a lot of seva. They have been indulged in each and every activity. You can see all the mess up done over here. But some Prabhujis, they are very much tired. They are not in the mood of saying anything. आपको क्या बोलने का है? खाली बोल दो.
अबे तो बहुत मजा है.
हाँ तो 3 बार हरी बोल हो जाए. हरी बोल. Chitu Mama is doing. You can look out what kind of service Chitu Mama is doing. He's trying to remove the parda which was used for Jagannath Ji for the Bhoga. We'd like to have a 3-time Hari Bol for him. Hari Bol! Hari Bol! Hari Bol! So now I'm going to introduce. She's the youngest of the Garud Sena, you know. She's the latest to join in. And she's just sitting there. She's sleeping. I would like to just give a close zoom in. Her name is Keshvi, you know. My brother's daughter. Give a close look out there. And her mother is enjoying the meal, yeah.
Light.
Hey, bhai, jao bata. Okay, so from morning we are in the pants and the shirts, and now we have turned out with the dhotis and the kurtas. Everybody's there with their t-shirts hanged up. We have just finished. Look at them, they are just going for the prasadam. Now just look at their plates. Just concentrate on their plates and just have a look out over here. Everybody's having their prasadam nicely. So, अभी हम पूछना चाहेंगे कैसा लगा आपको? कैसा लगा आपको? कैसा अच्छा लगा? प्रसाद कैसा था? और डेकोरेशन कैसा था? मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ? Everybody is saying, yeah, so they are getting me good reviews. Now we would like to go behind.
Hari Bol.
Okay, so they are doing Hari Bol for me.
हरी बोल हरी बोल हरी
Okay, so we are going in the.
ना आगे.